Hello, everybody. Look who is joining us for our math lesson today. This is Cupcake. She really wants to get on my computer, so I'm trying really hard to keep her off. Say hi. Hi. Okay. I'm going to put her down. All right. So today we are going to go over counting by fives. So we counted by tens already, didn't we? All right, let's practice. We're going to do hands on our head and hands on our shoulders, starting with 10. Do you remember? Okay, let's go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, very nice job. Can you do it up to 120? You ready to do it to 120? We got this. You ready? Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Excellent job. Now, there's a pretty cool pattern with these too, right? 10, 20, we have it right here. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Our pattern is always the same going down. The ones place is all the same, so they're all zeros. But the tens place, cat hair all over me. The tens place is counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, counting by tens, we got that. You guys have been practicing for a few days now. You're starting to get used to it. You know the pattern. What happens if we are thinking about counting by fives? We're not counting every 10 numbers, counting every 5 numbers. Whoa. I notice a pattern with these too. What's our pattern going down in the ones place? It's all the same. So these all end in what number? Excellent work. High five on that one. They all end in a 5. Now, look at these. If we count by tens, what do those all end in? Absolutely. High five. Very nice job. Okay, so I'm going to count by fives, and I'm just going to change the color each time. Ready? Let's count. Go follow along with me. I'm going to be doing right from here. I'm going to be bouncing. Ready? 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, good, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Did you notice a pattern with those? Let me clear them off again. 5. This is where the pattern starts. 10, 15. Ooh. 20. 25. Listen for it. 35. 5. Do you hear that? Every time I say one of the tens, I add a 5 for the next one. Instead of 40, then it's 45. Then it's 50. Then it's 55. Then it's 60. Then it's 65. Then it's 70. 75. Good job. Then there's 80. Then there's, very nice job, 85. After 85 comes 90. Because remember, we're still going down by the tens. 95. Nice job. 100. You got it. 105. After the 105. 110. Just like starting up at the top again. 115. 120. Very nice job. Now, when we count by fives, we're literally just saying every fifth number. So it's like these are just super quiet numbers. We can't hear when we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we only say out loud 5, 10. The numbers are still there. We're just not saying them out loud. So it's every 5 numbers. Right? These ones are still there, but we only say the fifth number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Nice job. Okay, now I want you to look me in patterns. There's so many patterns in this number chart. I want you to look at the patterns of the purple, that's the counting by fives, of the purple columns. What do they end in? They either end in fives or they end in, nice job. So they either end in the 5 or it ends in a 0. If you look down these rows, they all either end in 5 or they all end in 0. Absolutely. Now let's look over here. There is a 5 and 10 one. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Okay, so let's just look up here. So if we look, all of these, they end in 5. Good job. So when we count by fives, oh my goodness, they either end in 5 or a 0. Very nice job. So on, goodness gracious, on Schoology, you practice skip counting by tens, right? We kind of reviewed that. You're listening and watching this video, a little mini lesson now, and then there's going to be counting by fives here. I want you to do that. Then after that, right, so there's a lot of counting and dancing, there's boom cards. So the first boom card is skip count by fives. So each little, I don't know, scene, picture has 5 fireflies in it. So let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Which number here says 45? Tell me when to stop. Nice and loud. You're going to yell yes when I get there. Don't hear anything. Oh, nope, I don't hear anything. Wow, nice job. 40. Good job. All right, let's skip count by fives. Let's do it again. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, let's see. 25. Nice loud yes when I get to it. Is that 25? Is this 25? Wow, that was loud. Yes. Okay, so this is the first one you're going to do. The second one, you have to type in the missing number. Okay, if you needed to read it to you, you can click on this and it will read it to you. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What's next? I heard somebody say 30, 30 what? Good job, 35. Then we're going to click the blue button. Nice work. So you're just going to type in the number and hit submit. So those are practice. After that, there is a counting by fives exit ticket. So grown-ups, this is for your child, okay? So it's counting by fives, just like we've been practicing. And each line has 5 fish. So we have 5, 10, 15. So that's why you write 15. Let's look at this bottom one. Number 2, let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you would write 30 right in here. There are 2 of these. Okay, so there are 2 pages, 16 problems. Okay, lots of practice for you guys. So please, students, work on this by yourself, work on counting by 5s and putting this in. This is your exit ticket. So this is what I want to see you do. See if you remember how we're counting by 5s. Okay, make sure you turn this in. If you ever open one of these up and there's stuff on it, go ahead and erase it, and then you can do it. Make sure it saves, then you turn it in, all right? Every once in a while, there's something already on it when we open it. I'm not quite sure why that happens. If I solve that problem, that would be great. But until then, if it's already there, erase it, and then you can do it, all right? Make sure you turn it in with your work on it. Have a fantastic day. Bye.